What if your Google Workspace migration didn't rely on assumption, but on real data from every device in your organization? Most organizations moving to Google Workspace face the same challenge. Desktop apps that look active but aren't, hidden macros, unsupported file formats, and software licenses no one is actually using. That's exactly why we are introducing Workspace Readiness, a powerful new capability to the Chrome Readiness Tool. It analyzes desktop productivity applications across your organization, checking real application usage, identifying macro dependencies, flagging file compatibility risks, and mapping existing tools directly to Google Workspace alternatives. So instead of guessing who's ready to move, you know. Instead of fearing broken workflows, you plan with confidence. And instead of carrying unnecessary software costs, you optimize. Workspace Readiness doesn't migrate your apps. It gives you the clarity to migrate the right way. Coming soon to the Chrome Readiness Tool, your clearest path to Google Workspace starts here.